To enable or disable Samsung account marketing information in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accounts and Backup. Tap Accounts. Select Samsung account you want. Tap Privacy. Tap Marketing Information. Tap Personal Settings, switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Tap Confirm. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.